Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy roasted potato salad. When you're roasting potatoes, it makes them nice and crispy on the outside, and it also kind of concentrates their flavor. When you roast anything, you're cooking the moisture out of it, which means the flavor that's already in it is just more concentrated. So I boiled the potatoes for about 5 minutes. You don't want to cook them all the way, you just want to give them a head start so that then when you roast them, they can be in the oven for 20 minutes instead of over an hour. So after I boiled them, I tossed them in some olive oil and some salt and pepper, and I just cooked them on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and they became nice and crispy on the outside. And the potatoes are the star in this recipe, so I'm going to keep it very, very simple. I'm just going to toss them with a couple of other ingredients. I have some mayonnaise. I have some flat leaf Italian parsley. I find the flat leaf parsley has more flavor than the curly parsley, but you really can use either. And some salt, and some black pepper. Want to mix it just enough to coat the roasted potatoes. And there you have a creamy roasted potato salad.